How does this look? Now how does this look? It's better, right? I'm going to show you what these lights are, what to expect when you buy them, and the best possible lighting setups. And you can get them under $45. So, let's talk about it. I'm recording something. So everyone knows about those ring lights that literally everyone uses, like video creators, gamers, even makeup artists. While they are widely used, there is one big problem. They're pretty costly. Costing upwards of $100 when you only get one. For a new streamer, that's pretty expensive with considering all the things that you have to buy, like a computer, lights, camera, and that's even on the cheaper end considering Elgato has a ring light for $199. Neewer just changed the game because right now at this time of recording, you can get a 2-pack of USB dimmable lights from Amazon for $44.99, which is what I'm using right here. So if you were to buy these lights, you get 2 lights, 2 small tripods, 2 flexible adapters, 2 stands, and 3 different gel colors. Starting off, we have the 2 table tripods, which when it's fully extended from the height of the light to the bottom of these stands, it's about 9 inches. But if you want to gain a little height, it sticks pretty well. So you can give it a few inches. That's what she said. For those of you who like your lights up close and personal, which is probably the easiest lighting setup, which is called a flat light look. Because as you can see, there's no shadows anywhere on my face. To obtain this, all you have to do is put your key and your fill lights in the same distance, angle, height, and strength in front of you. For those of you who don't know, the key light is used to illuminate the subject, while the fill light is used to lift the shadows that are on your face from the key light. If you notice, this is what it looks like without the fill light, and this is what it looks like with the fill light. If you want to add a little extra oomph to your face on your videos, all you got to do is just find a lamp. Everyone has lamps. And then just put it in the back of your videos and just turn it on. That's called a practical light. And a practical light is any light source used in the back of your videos, such as a household lamp, a TV, Christmas lights, even candles. So grab a practical light. You can thank me later. Next, we have the 2 adjustable tripod stands. These stands reach about 45.5 inches, which isn't really tall, but you can still do a lot with them. And for this one, you can do the 3-point lighting setup, which if you have a key light in front of you, and then you have a fill light to the back of you, illuminating the back of your head, in which the key light will be at a higher strength, and the fill light would be at a lower strength, which you see in this demonstration, the key light is at an 8, while the fill light is at like a 5. What's really cool, it also comes with the cold shoe ball head, but you can adjust it 180 degrees back, front. You can make it turn left or right, so you can adjust it however you like, or however you have your monitors. With these stands, it has a couple of different uses. You can pull it out, twist it to tighten it so it doesn't move, or all you gotta do is twist it back and then just shorten it again. But what's also cool is that it has a comfortable handle, so you can use it as a selfie stick for anything that you do outside. What else it includes is 3 different gel colors: red, yellow, and blue. What's really cool is you can add some of those colors together, like red and yellow for orange, or blue and red for purple. So you can shine 5 different colors, basically, on your wall or on your face. Just to top it all off, these lights are USB powered. If you have a power bank, you can literally take your lights anywhere. Or if you have a camera in a position that you want it, and there's no plug around you, you can use a power bank. I just really thought that was a cool feature, so you can really shoot anywhere. Really, the only bad review I have about these lights is that they really just feel cheap. They're very light. There's really no weight to them at all, so it's easy for them to fall. And with how they feel, it feels like they'll break easily. And the tripod is a little wobbly, so when I try to position it, the light just leans over if the cord is being pulled. Which, by the way, the cord is a little short. And the last thing is the gels really aren't that easy to slide in. Like, I have difficulty trying to get the blue in, or if I try to get 2 colors like blue and red, it just sticks, and like it feels like it's peeling the film. And like whenever I try to get it in, it's never really in the slot that it has inside of it. But then again, it is only $45. But is that enough for you to not get them? Comment down below and tell me how you feel about it. I personally will buy them. The pros heavily outweigh the con, just for the price alone and how much you get out of them. So starting out, these would be the perfect lights to get. I personally think they can justifiably charge more just for the fact of how much you get and how much use you can get out of it. If you found this useful, feel free to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It'll definitely help out a ton. If you're ever wondering where to get a free overlay, just click this video right here. That one. Just click. But guys, I hope to see you in the next video. No matter what you do, whatever you get into, you got this. Peace.